Hi children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing first chapter number systems. In number system, our topic is numeration systems. So I think you watched my two videos. This is the third video now the entrance. Please follow the regular videos. So please subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe up to now. So today let us discuss our topics numeration systems. So here children, this is the chapter number system. That is first one, numeration systems. So here numeration systems we have two types: Hindu, Indian, Arabic system. So children listen carefully. Hindu, Indian, Arabic system. Hindu, Indian, Arabic system. Second one is international system. So when we are speaking the number in words, otherwise if you want to write the number in words, otherwise speak how to speak the words in how to speak the number in words. So for that one we have two systems. First one is Indian Arabic system. Second one is international system. So we have two systems. Children remember very carefully. First one, Indian Arabic system, Hindu Arabic system, international system. So we have two systems here. So if you want read a number, if you want write a number in words, so we have two systems. So in that one we are discussing today Hindu, Indian, Arabic system. Most of in India we are using this system. Most of Indians we are using in this system. So in this system, actually system lo emuntadi, the name is Hindu, Indian, Arabic system. Hindu or Indian Arabic system. We can call Hindu Arabic system, Indian Arabic system. This is a R. So this system lo emuntadi, see we have the places is important. In this system the places, what are the places? So first one is ones. First one is ones. Next, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. Is it? So what are the systems we have, children? Look here. First one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. See, first I am writing giving number for each. First one, for example, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, 8 crores. This is a 9. How many places we have in Hindu Arabic Indian system? Count those 9 places we have. First one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Like that we have 9 places. 9 places. So while we writing a number, for example, I am writing 231. 231. So while I am calling a number, I call as 200 31, 200. So that's why I kept 2 in 100 place. 30, 30, I kept 30 means 3 tens. 3 tens are 30. 3 I kept in tens place. 1 is ones. 231. Like that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a way we have a bigger number. See, suddenly I jumped into a bigger number. Not hundreds, not thousands, not lakhs. I written here a bigger number in crores. That is in 10 crores. So we have 9 places. So I written in 9 places different digits. Now I want to read the number. Don't fear. Don't fear. First listen carefully. Then you can read the number whatever it is. That is, if it is bigger, if it is small also you can read. First I want to write the number in the places. So I written here. So put comma. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here separate a comma. So these 3 places circle. These are the 3 places, circle it. So I circled. Next, 1000, 10,000s. These 2 places, thousands. So circle it. Put a comma here. This is a comma. I think you know that one. Comma. Next, lakh, 10 lakhs. Circle it. Comma. So crore, 10 crores. So already then after this there is no place. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, ఎన్ని ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి మనకు, వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌజండ్స్, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. 9 ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 9 ప్లేసెస్లో నేను 9 డిజిట్స్ రాశాను. 9 ప్లేసెస్లో 9 డిజిట్స్ ఐ రిటన్. సో హియర్ నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నా, 3 డిజిట్స్, వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్ ఒక గ్రూప్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్. 1000, 10,000 సెకండ్ గ్రూప్. lakh, 10 lakh థర్డ్ గ్రూప్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫోర్త్ గ్రూప్. అంటే ఈ 3 ప్లేసెస్ని కలిపి ఒక గ్రూప్ వేసుకోండి. 1000, 10,000 ఒక గ్రూప్ అనుకోండి. lakh, 10 lakhs ఒక గ్రూప్. నెక్స్ట్ crore, 10 crores ఒక గ్రూప్ అనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనము, ఈ గ్రూప్ తర్వాత మనకు కామా పెట్టాలి. సో వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్ తర్వాత ఒక కామా, 1000, 10,000 తర్వాత ఒక కామా, lakh, 10 lakhs places తర్వాత ఒక కామా, రిమైనింగ్ crore, 10 crores. Now I want to read the number. Simple. This is very, very simple. 10 crores. What is the digit is there in 10 crores? 9. Plus crores in crores plus 8. 98. 98 crores. 76 lakhs. 54,231. 231. See, generally this is a very, very big number, but we are learning very, very easily. So just concentrate. 10 crores లో 9 నెంబర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 9 10 90, 98. Total number is 98. This is 76. I grouped it 76. This is I grouped 54, 231. Individually first read this one. 231. This is a one group. 54, 76, 98. ఈ 2 digits నెంబర్ అయితే మీకు తెలిసి ఉంటాయి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. 2 digits నెంబర్ ఆల్రెడీ యూ నో దట్ వన్. See, 98, 76, 54. These are 3 digits. 231. Then we can read easily. So 98 in crores group. That's why 98 crores. 76 in lakhs group. 76 lakhs. 54 in thousands group. So 54,231. So I am writing this number in words now. 98 crores. 98 crores. 76,000. See, 98 crores. Crores group కాబట్టి రెండు crores group లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 98 crores. The 76 in lakhs group. So 76 lakhs. Sorry. then 54 in thousands group, so 54 thousands. Remaining I'm 231. So here also we can write 231. Like that, and we can add, no problem. But here 98 crores 76 lakhs 54,000 and 231. Like this, we return a number very the number has 9 places, but we written how we read the number very easily. పిల్లలు అర్థమై ఉంటుంది మీకు. పెద్ద నెంబర్ అది, క్రోర్స్ ప్లేస్ వరకు ఉంది, 9 ప్లేసెస్ ఉంటాయి దానిలో. సో అంత పెద్ద నెంబర్ని మనం ఈజీగా ఎలా రీడ్ చేయడం అనే దానికి మనము 4 గ్రూప్స్ వేసుకోవాలి. ఒకటి 1s, 10s, 100s ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్, 1000, 10,000 సెకండ్ గ్రూప్, lakh, 10 lakhs థర్డ్ గ్రూప్, crore, 10 crores ఫోర్త్ గ్రూప్. ఏ గ్రూప్లో ఏది ఉంటే ఆ గ్రూప్ నేమ్ మీద మనం రాయొచ్చు నెంబర్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ లైక్ దిస్: 98 crores 76 lakhs 54,000 and 231. This is a very big number. See how many groups we did here. First group 1s, 10s, 100s, these 3 combined first group, 1000, 10,000 is second group, lakh, 10 lakhs is third group, crore, 10 crores is fourth group. So ఏ గ్రూప్లు ఉంటే ఆ గ్రూప్ తర్వాత క్రోర్ అని రాయాలి. ఏ ల్యాక్స్ గ్రూప్లు ఉంటే ఆ నెంబర్ తర్వాత ల్యాక్స్ అని రాయాలి. 54, సో థౌజండ్స్ అని రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ 231. Like this we can write a number in words. So we look at one more example. This is Indian Arabic system. Look here, now I am writing 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. See, already I said 1s, 10s, 100s, 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Like this. So right here 0, 1, 8, 7, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5. So already I said these 3 come under first group. After first group, just put comma. These 2 places are second group. So these 2 numbers, after 2 numbers, just put comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, this is the third group. 78, after this put comma. Next remaining crore, 10 crore, it will be already is there. Remaining no, we don't want to keep here comma. So first read 2 digit, 3 digit number. This is a 3 digit number. 810, 47, 78, 56. Now 56 in crores group, that's why 56 crores. And you can write, no problem, 78 in which group? Lakhs group. 78 lakhs. Next, and 47 in which group? It is thousands group. 47,000 and remaining 800 and 10. See, like this, how we simply written this big number in words. అంత ఈజీగా ఇంత పెద్ద బిగ్ నెంబర్ మన వర్డ్స్లో రాయగలిగినాం. ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? మొత్తం 9 డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 9 ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి, 10 crores వరకు ఈజీగా రాయగలిగినాం. బట్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఈజ్ divide the sentence, put commas first after first group. In first group, 1s, 10s, 100s, put 1 comma, 10s, 10,000s, put 1 comma, lakh, 10 lakhs, put one comma. This is the first group. First group come under, what are these? These three will come on first group. Ones, tens, hundreds. First group. 10, 10,000s. TT 10, 10,000s. This thousands group. This is lakhs group. This is crores group. Crores, 10 crores. Crores, 10 crores. So first group ones, tens, hundreds. Second group tens, 10,000. Thousands group, lakhs group, crores group. This is hundreds group. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1,000, 10,000. Second group. Lakh, 10 lakh. Third group. Crore, 10 crores. So in this group 56 is there. So in the fourth group, that's why 56 crores and 78 lakhs 47,810. See how it is we written the number, how we are easily speaking the number, and this will come, it may come in Navodaya 1 or 2 questions on this number system, because he will give one number, so options he will give in words. So please select the option correctly. Okay. So for this one, you can do homework for you. Indo-Arabic system, you have homework for you. First one, write these following these numbers in words. Which system? Hindu, Indian, Arabic system. Hindu, Indian, Arabic system. First one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 0, 9. Right. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 1, 0, 7. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7, 8, 9. 9, 8, 0, 0, 4, 7, 0, 0, 4, 7. Say I given 10 numbers. Please write the number in words in Hindu and Arabic, Indian Arabic system. So first I will give first group which is hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. This is a thousand group. Second group, this is lakhs group. This is crores group. So put comma like this. This is a crores group now. Hundreds group, thousands, lakh, crores. 45 crores, 67 lakhs, 81,000. There is no hundred, so 74. Like that, you can divide with commas and write the number in Hindu, Indian, Arabic system. Thank you.